it's Iman's turn.
No.
It's
Give
your
it to
turn.
her.
Very good, Iman.
Okay. Okay, hi! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Good morning sa inyo. Today is Sunday. We just finished our online church and we are going to Donabate. Titingnan namin yung house and farm over there. They reopened since the 29th yata of April, but today we're going to see it and ipapasyal namin yung mga bata. So it's not that far from here, from Balbrigan, where my sister lives, and it only takes like 20-25 minutes. So tsaka napakaganda ng araw. You can see there, blue sky, blue. And so we're gonna see you guys there.
Hi vlogger.
Hello vlog. Hi vloggers.
Hi vloggers.
Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Hi, we're here again. So we've arrived now. Ganda ng araw.
Come on, bro, let's go. Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys. Bagong gising. Okay, so here we are, the New Bridge house and farm. Now, here's the entrance of the farm. Emmanuel! Wala pa palang bayan si Iman, ah.
Yeah. Emmanuel!
Hi vlog. This is our second time to come here because the first time it was still closed because of the COVID. So hopefully we will enjoy this day. So peace out.
No!
Ang wallet ko parang kasing lapang. Totoo? Wala akong wallet eh. Pinagay ko yung cellphone ko. So cellphone number ko. Poop! Kuna naman.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan yung mga hamster system.
Where? What's that? What's that? What's that? Is that a goat? Okay.
Hey, what's that?
Wow.
Baby Dada!
What are they called? Guinea pigs?
Baby.
Say baby guinea pigs.
Baby, baby.
Don't be afraid. Friendly.
Oh, hello.
Spur. Go near.
It's a bird. What's that? What is it, Emmanuel? What are those, Emmanuel? What are those?
Get it.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's not a doggy. Meron pa ba doon?
Hey. Yeah, isn't it? Hmm. Look. Okay. Go, Emmanuel.
Ano ganda din ang girlfriend mo? Girlfriend na.
What's that? Is it a chicken? Is it a chicken?
Yeah.
The chicken. Here. Oops. There's two of them. There's two of them.
Ibo ka lang.
Daddy. 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 Daddy.
Is that a chicken? Yeah? Is that a chicken? Yeah?
Daddy. Daddy.
I know. Those are the chicken, yeah?
Nakalipat. Ah, may itlog
Sa
na rin, oh.
rabbit.
Dami itlog. Yung rabbit may itlog? Yung program. I mean,
Hmm? Hey, Emmanuel.
ipong yan. Kailangan paano mo na mga pictures na ng mga animals.
Yeah.
Lahat doggy. Bird! Come on.
Is that a doggy?
The dog is going now.
Hmm?
Leaving.
What's that? Huh?
Tagal-tagal mo sa piraso na ko. Give some...
Look, 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 look. Aww. Now.
Like that, like that, like
Okay,
that.
go on.
What
Go on.
the girl's doing yan.
Okay.
Give. Come on, Iwan.
Now you.
Very good, Iman. Now it's Iman's turn.
Now.
It's
Give
your
it to
turn.
him.
Very good, Iman. Yay!
Yay!
How about you, Pearl?
Yay!
Go get the grass. Green grass. Yeah, go on.
No, because he'll get scared.
Hindi mo alam, may crocodile pala dyan. Natalon. Ano, may itim na ano yun. Lumalamig ito.
Welcome to our farm. Sobrahan niya ang magpatan. What's that? What's that? What's that? A pig. A pig? Yeah? It's a pig. Huh? Is that a pig?
I found a leaf now. There you go.
Here, oh.
Oh, thanks. This-
Thanks, sis. It's bro.
What?
It's bro.
There you go.
Yay.
Here is their walled garden.
Many apples and mantanas. Apple medyo kailangan ko nagulok bunga yan. Baka di poking apple.
Ayan. So, we're at the end na. Exit na ng farm. So, we're just gonna enjoy the sun. And we'll sit down and have a ice cream and coffee and everything outside. So, okay. Ang ganda ng araw.
Ayun, araw.
Nagre-reflect kasi oh. Ganda oh. Okay. Let's see if we can see something for a souvenir.
Mas pa tayo dito?
Yeah. Okay, we're just having a break now. Yan, meron kaming ham sandwich, some teas, coffee, at nagbaon kami ng cake, leftover cake from last night. Okay, now, it's a lovely day.
That's a lucky day now.
It is a lovely day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lucky
Yeah, are you enjoying? Anak ko ito. Yan. Emmanuel. Kiniginaw ka, sir? Evan.
Wait for me.
Thank you. Thank you kay Gwen, kay Don at Jessica sa aking lovely na jacket. Salamat sa sponsor.
Turn around.
New Balance.
Turn around.
New Balance.
So yan, we just came back from our adventure today. We went to the New Bridge House and Farm, which is found in Hearst Road, New Bridge Domain, Donabate. So maganda yung place, especially for family and kids. Napakaraming animals, farm animals there, at the same time it's a good place for nature as well, for walking. Meron silang world garden and may mga spots for barbecue and for recreational area as well, so which is nakuha na namin kanina ng video, but and parking is huge. Maraming space for parking, hindi maging problema ang parking, especially for weather like with the weather like this. Maraming tao pero marami pa ring space for parking.
And for free.
And it's free, which is really good. What else? May mga may maraming coffee shop doon. I know there's few coffee shop na pwedeng bilhan doon. May souvenir shop and ice cream van, so which is really good. If you're looking for a place na pwede nyong dalhin yung mga kids ninyo, or if you want to bring the whole family, and it's actually educational as well, so they can learn the different kinds of farm animals. Nag-enjoy si Eman, I'm sure. Medyo natakot lang siya kanina sa may mga chicken, but he enjoyed it. Kala niya lahat ng animals doon doggy. Puro doggy. Pero I'm pretty sure he enjoyed it kasi ngayon lang niya nakita yung mga animals talaga na ganon. So I highly recommended this place for you guys and for the family. So yun, so that's all, and thank you again for watching our video, and thank you to all who subscribed already on our channel. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe, like, and share this with your friends, para maging updated kayo sa mga next na YouTube sa mga adventure namin. Mas marami pang mga susunod. Just press the bell icon so you can receive a notification. So maraming salamat sa inyo, and thank you, and God bless.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Napagod siya sa biyahe. Bye guys.
Thank
Thank you.